Hey guys, I'm Sumita Kari. So after much excitement and teasers all across social media, OnePlus has finally launched the all-new OnePlus 9 series of smartphones globally and of course in India as well. Unlike previous years, OnePlus this time has launched 3 smartphones and not just 2. The standard OnePlus 9, then you have the top-end OnePlus 9 Pro and an India-centric OnePlus 9R. And not just that, the company has also launched its first ever wearable, the OnePlus Smartwatch 2. Well, we are not going to focus on the watch as of now, but here's telling you the top 5 features of the OnePlus 9. There is little difference in the OnePlus 9 Pro and of course the OnePlus 9R. So let's just stick to the OnePlus 9. So features in all of these 3 variants are mostly the same except in case of upgrades for the Pro version, which is the flagship phone, and then 9R is the affordable variant out of the 3. First up, cameras. Well, you have Hasselblad cameras capturing the finest details. It poured in serious monies to actually build great camera capabilities. By the way, for those of you who do not know, Hasselblad is literally the technology that gave humans a glimpse of the moon. But now let's come back to the cameras and tell you that there are 3 main cameras placed on the back of the OnePlus 9, but in 9 Pro there are 4 in a nice different layout from the 8 series. So OnePlus 9 has a 48 megapixel as the primary sensor along with image stabilization. Then you have the 50 megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide sensor and a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. So all of these 3 sensors remain same in OnePlus 9 Pro, but the 4th lens is that of an 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. Other than that, you also have the support of 8K recording, and for selfies and video chats, you also have a 16 megapixel selfie camera at the front. While the camera look has seen a slight change, the design and display of the phone remains almost the same. It remains largely unchanged. So you've got a 6.55 inch full HD plus display. You've got a punch hole camera on top left of the screen, which is your selfie camera. But the major difference is reflected in the refresh rate of the phone, which is 120 Hz. Remember, it's adaptable as well, so that's a good thing. And then the phone is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass. The Pro version, remember, before I forget, is 6.7 inches QHD plus screen. Next up, performance. Well, the phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 and runs on Oxygen OS 11 with the latest Android 11. The base variant comes paired with 8GB RAM plus 128GB of internal storage, but the top-end variant goes up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Now, the OnePlus 9R variant, however, has Snapdragon 870 SoC, remember, because it's the affordable variant and has been made keeping the India market specifically in mind. While improved cameras, great processor, and an improved battery, you get a massive 4500 mAh of battery life, and the charger comes very much bundled in the box, and that's the good news. So it supports 65 watts warp charging, and then the Pro version supports 50 watt wireless charging as well. Let's now talk about the pricing, since everything seems to be in place largely. So slightly heavy on the pocket, I'd say, because OnePlus has not ventured into this territory, into this price range in the past. So your OnePlus 9 is priced at 49,999, effectively 50,000 rupees, while OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a hefty price tag of 64,999 rupees. The slightly affordable OnePlus 9 is priced at 39,999, effectively 40,000 rupees. So slightly heavy on the pocket. Overall, it seems like an evolutionary upgrade over the OnePlus 8 series or 8T. However, this is merely a top features list and a first impressions video. A more detailed review of the 3 phones will follow soon. So stay tuned to this space for that. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching. This is Sumita Karir signing off.